These are the MAT 1140 notes, week 2. This is page 4. So continuing what we just talked about, we got to figure out how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now, if we take a look at the example above, we see that in this example, 8/8 make one whole. So the denominator tells us how many parts the whole is divided into. So we are going to start by dividing the numerator by denominator. You're welcome to use a calculator for this. I got a 1 here, so minus 5. And 1 here. So 5 goes into 57 11 times, and we have this 2 left over. Remember, that is counting fifths. So 11 is how many whole units we have, how many groups of 5 fifths. We have 2 pieces left over, so 2 fifths. Let's try the same thing here. 8 goes into 35 4 times. That's 32. We have 3 left over, so this is 4 3/8. Now, if you are unsure of the multiplication, I can always divide 35 by 8 on the calculator. That's going to give me the whole number part. I'll multiply 8 by that whole number part, the 4, to get the 32 that we pull out, 4 groups of 8, and we'll see how much we have left over, that 3. Going backwards, taking a mixed number. So I'm going to draw a picture for this one because this denominator tells me I'm counting fifths. So there's 1 whole, 5 fifths, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and then I have 4 fifths for this part. Oops, sorry. So the 3 is this part, 5 pieces each. The 4 fifths is this part. So this 3 times 5 gives me 15 pieces of size 1/5. Here I'm going to add 4 more. I have 19 pieces of size 1/5. So we're going to multiply the whole number part times the denominator. And then we're going to add the other pieces. Denominator does not change. Okay. We have done this before. If we want to convert from a fraction to a decimal, we are plugging this into the calculator as numerator divided by denominator. A lot of times we want to divide bigger number minus smaller, or sorry, by the smaller. But when we're talking about fractions, we got to take the numerator and divide by the denominator. When we want to go the other way, from a decimal to a fraction, we have to remember our place values. Tenths, hundredths. So we can take any decimal and write that part as the fraction. The more decimal places, the more zeros in the denominator. And that is it for page 4.